Hello, money smart people. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered where all your money goes each month? You earn it, you spend it, and then poof, it's gone. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about budgeting basics. It's not about being super strict or taking away all your fun. It's about taking control of your money and making it work for you. Think of it as a simple map for your money, showing you exactly where it goes. So, why is budgeting so important? Well, it helps you reach your money goals, whether that's saving for something big, paying off debt, or just having less money stress. When you budget, you see a clear picture of your money so you can make smart choices. It's like having a superpower for your finances. Now, let's look at how to create a simple budget. It's easier than you think. First, know your income. This is the total amount of money you get after taxes and other deductions. This is your starting point. Second, track your spending. For 1 month, write down every single rupee you spend. Yes, even that small tea or snack. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet on your computer, or even a budgeting app on your phone. This step is super important because it shows you your real spending habits. You might be surprised where your money is actually going. Third, divide your money into categories. After tracking, group your spending. Common groups are housing, rent, home loan, food, groceries, eating out, transport, bills, electricity, mobile, entertainment, and savings. If you're finding these steps helpful, please give this video a quick like to help us reach more people. And if you know someone who struggles with their money, please share this video with them. Your support helps us grow. Once you know where your money is going, you can use simple rules to guide your spending. One very popular rule is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs. This covers things you must have to live: rent, groceries, transport to work, basic utilities. 30% for wants. These are things you like to have, but don't strictly need: eating out, entertainment, new clothes, hobbies. 20% for savings and debt payoff. This is money for your future: emergency fund, retirement savings, or paying off high interest debts faster. Another simple method is the zero based budget. Here, you give every single rupee a job. If you earn 50,000 rupees, you make sure that 50,000 rupees is spent, saved, or used to pay debt. The goal is to have 0 rupees left over on paper. This doesn't mean you spend everything, but rather every rupee has a plan. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when budgeting. Being too strict. If your budget is too tight, you'll probably give up. Make sure there's room for fun and unexpected costs. Not tracking. Simply making a plan isn't enough. You have to see if you're sticking to it. Giving up after one bad month. Everyone makes mistakes. If you go over budget 1 month, just learn from it and start fresh next month. Not adjusting your budget. Life changes and so should your budget. Review it regularly, maybe every few months, and make changes as needed. Budgeting is not about limiting your life, it's about giving yourself financial freedom. It helps you see clearly, make better choices, and reach your money goals faster. Start simple, be patient, and you'll soon be a budgeting pro. What's your biggest challenge with money or your best budgeting tip? Share it in the comments below. And if you want more easy to understand money advice, please subscribe to our channel right now. Tap that bell icon, click it 2 times so you never miss our new videos. Join our community and let's build a better financial future together. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.